In this video, I'll show you how to change the color of the taxes, discounts, and shipping calculator checkout tax on Shopify cart page. And for this example, I'm using Dawn theme. So at first, let's log into Shopify admin account, then select Online Store. Now look for your current theme, in my case is Dawn, and then select Customize. Once the editor loads on the left side of the screen, look for Theme Settings. It looks like gear icon. Click on it and then scroll all the way to the bottom and expand the Custom CSS section. We'll be adding the custom CSS rule right in here, but first let me go back to my website and get the class selected for the text. Let me right click on it, then select Inspect. Okay, let's take a look. We'll select the element which has three classes: text node, caption large, and RTE. Perfect. Let's go back to the editor. Let's add the following rule. Type period text dash node period caption dash large period RTE. Open left and right curly braces. Place the cursor in between, then press enter. On the next line, type color colon. Then go to Google and type color picker in the search. Let me get the hex code for the red color. Be sure to copy the hex code, including the hashtag. Then let's go back to the editor. Let's paste it right here. And also make sure the semicolon is added at the end. Then let's save the changes. Let's go back to cart page. Let's try refreshing it. As you can see, most of the text was changed to red with the exception of shipping link. To change the color of shipping link, simply go back to the editor, copy the current rule. Let's add some space underneath. Let's paste it right here. And then right after the RTE, add space followed by an A. Now once again, save the changes. Let's go back to the cart page. Let's try refreshing one more time. And as you can notice, the entire text is now red color, and this change will be reflected on the cart page as well in the cart drawer right here. So for now, that's all for this video. Hope you found useful, and for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.